What's up, guys? For today's video, I'll be taking a look at the all-new 2018 Chevrolet Suburban Premier. Then I'll show you many of the features on the interior and exterior. So the Chevrolet Suburban has been around since 1935. That's a long time for an SUV to stay in production, but simply people love it. That's why it's ranked number 4 in the large SUV world. The Chevrolet Suburban is a decent option if you're shopping for a large SUV. The vehicle's strong V8 power and the cushioned ride, it can seat up to 9 people with room to spare, and it has one of the biggest cargo areas in the class. That said, most rivals rate higher for predicted reliability. So the Chevrolet Suburban comes available with one engine, the 5.3-liter V8 that makes 355 horsepower and 383 pound-feet of torque, which can go 16 in the city and 23 on the highway, and has a maximum towing capacity of 8,300 pounds. So on the driver door, you have the window control. All 4 windows are fully automatic. Right below it, you have the child lock and the window lock. And on top, you have the mirror control with soft closing mirrors. You also have lock and unlock and door handle. And right here, you have a storage. 2 memory seats and another storage. And on the left hand side, you have the controls for the heads-up display. You also have the light control with fog lights. You also have the trailing control. You have the traction control, the lane departure warning, and parking sensors. And on the steering wheel, you have a leather wrapped steering wheel. On the left hand side, you have your cruise control with the gap adjust. You also have the heated steering wheel. On the right hand side, you have the voice command.
Say a command or say help.
Help.
You can say phone, audio, navigation, weather, or OnStar. To call a number quicker, say call, speech session ended. Goodbye.
You also have the controls for the screen. And behind the steering wheel, you have the windshield wiper and the rear wiper control with the turning signals. And on the right hand side, you have the 6-speed automatic transmission with manual mode. And on the screen, you have your speeds, trip A, B, fuel range, oil life, tire pressure, timer. You also have audio, phone, navigation, and settings. You have the units, you have themes, you have 3 different themes you can choose from: standard, technology, and media. You also have the information page, speed warning, and software information. And on the center console, on the left hand side, you have the engine start-stop button. You also have the 8-inch color display with a hidden storage behind it and a USB port. Right below it, you have the radio controls, climate control, rear climate control, and heated and ventilated seats. You also have a storage with 2 USBs and a 12-volt power outlet and 2 cup holders. You also have a wireless charging. You have another storage right here with 2 USBs, auxiliary cord, and a 12-volt power outlet. And on the screen, you have your audio, phone, projection for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, navigation, settings. You have the time and date, rear seat reminder, language, video voiceover. You have the valet mode, you have teen driver, you can view report, manage settings like volume limit and speed warning and speed limiter. You can change the pen, register keys, and clear all keys. You also have radio, vehicle, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice, display, rear camera, return to factory settings, and software information. You also have weather, video, text, OnStar.
OnStar ready. Cancel. Thank you. Goodbye.
Traffic, and App Store. have the At Your Service app, the Glimpse app, and the Weather Channel app, and some more apps are coming. You also have settings, you have Wi-Fi connection, user reset, and about. And on the window sticker, the standard vehicle price is $64,900. They added the Sun Entertainment and Destination package, the pearl white color, the 8-inch heads-up display, and the Max trailing package, and the brown leather interior, which all comes up to $71,170. Here's the final assembly. 5-star safety ratings and fuel economy.